are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great
Hello,
crafting.
everybody. We are here. What are we here for?
We are here for a new Disney digital mystery box.
And in the first set...
And that's really cool. It has 4 different sets in this Disney digital mystery box, which is $29.99, and that gives you all the images, and there's some really cool ones. And there's one whole set to one of my favorite characters that I don't think there's ever been images for him.
We'll do that one last.
We'll see it, yeah. Actually, a couple of my favorite characters. These were really cute. I was excited about these. So this one's called the Princess Ultimate, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's neat. So can you...
I like that.
I do too. Now, can you grab that? Will it let you change the letter, or is it just going to be an R?
It's just going to be an R.
Just going to be an R.
Yeah. Because it's Rapunzel.
Well, the A is really cool too.
It's Rapunzel, and that's Ariel.
Oh.
See, I knew who that was.
Princess Aurora.
Like a magic carpet ride. Is this Jasmine? Yeah, I was right. Woohoo!
Good job.
I don't know that one.
Mulan. Oh, that's Flounder. It's like an abstract flounder.
The fishy?
Yeah, from The Little Mermaid. I almost said Finding Nemo because your brain thinks, but no, Little Mermaid.
What was that? Oh,
That
Cinderella in a sea.
A sea, yeah.
And that one's Belle.
Cinderella.
All right, so...
I do like the group ones, though, where they had the couple princesses together on it.
Yeah. Print then cut. Because I don't want to put all those pieces together.
Right? But it's really cute.
Yeah, another print then cut. Life's a magic
What does that one
carpet
say?
ride.
Oh, the magic...
Life's a magic carpet ride.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
I can see that on... You can put that on a shirt. You can put it on a mug. Are they able to... Are they only print then cut? Or are you able to put them...
yeah.
Okay.
Little Ariel. Those are fun.
Those are fun. The groups of princesses. Really cute. Ducky would have loved them when she was littler. Those were neat.
And then there's another one.
And how many images were in that set? 23, I think it said?
33.
33. Okay, so 33 images in the Princess Ultimate Collection.
We're going to Surplus.
Traveler. There's
Traveler.
Yeah. I feel like there's some in this that you're going to have to make, Alex.
In this one?
Yep.
Because I'm a traveler?
Because you're a traveler. There's some cool ones.
Ooh, I like that. Outdoor vibes.
I know, see? That was one of them. There's another one, too, really cool. And then it's got the different characters. They're like camping, or, like Goofy's got his little backpack.
I like this one, too. Scenic route.
I know. I thought these were so cool.
Yeah, these are cool.
The Mickey, even with the... What is
Happy
it called?
trails.
I can put it on my Jeep. Topography or whatever, where it's got the line. Yeah, see? I told you. There's some in here you're going to love. I know, I already had them up and we're messing with them on my screen when I first seen them. I'm like, these are so cool.
Yeah, I almost feel like I need to make this and put this on my car.
Right? These are so cool. I wonder what the number 28's for. Like, is that something specific? That's my birthday. I'm like, thank you. Did you make that for me?
I don't know what that is.
How did they know? I don't know either. The Mickey with the compass with the Mickey in the middle.
Yeah.
These are just super cute and like different Disney ones than we have seen. That's why I said, oh, there's some in here you're gonna love, like for the Traveler.
Yeah, I really like those scenic route one.
I love each of these designs.
Yeah,
and you can change these so much too.
I didn't realize that there's a little Mickey face right here, or Mickey.
Oh, I didn't either. Disney's so good at that. They're so good at the hidden Mickeys. You know, at the park, there's like all these hidden Mickeys.
Yeah.
Like all over. Yeah, and you could change these if you wanted the mountains, not the Mickey. You can change the words in them. I think they're so cool.
Oh, yeah, so you could do that instead of having mountains. You could just do trees.
Yeah. Put whatever you wanted in there. You could add the flag. I mean, there was other items too, like the flag, like the camping flag.
Yeah.
Scenic route. That Mickey with the topography on it would be cool. Just a decal for a car for like Disney fans that like to travel.
Right.
You know,
Oops.
I love it. I know I seen those two, and I was like, I don't know which one Alex will like most. I'm like the adventure awaits or the outdoor vibes. They're both super cool.
So even this, you can put like your family name in here or something, and then
I thought that too. Putting your family name. You know how everybody likes to make their Disney
Yeah.
shirt to go to Disney.
instead of outdoor vibes, you just
And then even if you just wanted the mountains with the trees, you could do that too.
Yeah.
And not even have to have them.
you just get this alone, and put that on a
That's
shirt.
what I'm saying.
It's really cool.
It'd be cool is if you traveled to different Disney worlds and then you made a shirt with like the traveling Disney and then you put like what Disney parks you've been to.
Oh yeah.
That would be cool. That'd be an expensive shirt by the end of going everywhere, but you know, those are super cool.
Next up, we have your favorite,
My favorite.
Stitch Catching Waves.
Yes. I don't know how you guys feel about Stitch, but here we love Stitch.
Yeah.
It's like a family thing though, because you know, in it they say Ohana forever, which is Ohana is like family in Hawaiian. So until the kids were teenagers, at bedtime, we would all get in a huddle, put our hands in, and say 1, 2, 3, and then we'd say Ohana forever when we put our hands up.
Nice.
So it's like Stitch is like it's just family. I love him.
Vacation mode on island time.
Yeah.
To the beach. These are fun.
I love him with his little his ice cream cone because he gets just
Oh yeah.
a little scoops of ice cream on there.
626 flavors. My happy place.
That one's really cool.
This
Open
would
that
be
one.
this one.
Yeah.
All right, I'll just click on it for now, and then
Okay.
I'll add it to the canvas. Hula honey.
Now those will be a little difficult. I was wondering about those because they're cut, but they have a whole bunch of like sketch lines in them.
Oh right, this might be better for drawing.
Ah, there we go. And that one right there, that catching waves one, I would add that to the canvas too. That's really cool.
I'm already knowing what I would do with those two.
See, I was super excited with those. And then all the different, I love Stitch playing the guitar, jamming out on the guitar. Because in case you don't know, Stitch knows all the Elvis songs. He loves Elvis. Ain't none but a... And then Traveler Stitch, where he's got his... Have you seen Stitch?
It's been a long time. I've seen it though.
Okay.
Was he a
I was
gremlin?
excited. You know, you seen that? Didn't you see like when you're in our house upstairs in the loft? There's that giant like Stitch thing from McDonald's.
Yeah.
When Connor worked at McDonald's, they were getting rid of it. He's like, "Can I have that?" So they hung it up there.
Nice.
So we have a giant Stitch.
All right.
Aren't these ones really cool?
I would put these on a mug.
There we go. A shirt. I'd put them
Yeah,
on a shirt too.
Yeah. This one would be really good on a shirt. I like this one a lot.
And then my happy place, you could change those words too. Obviously, they won't be cut through like that, but I mean, you could make them that way. But if you wanted to say Ohana forever, which is huge with it, you could have it say Ohana forever.
You should do a video of that.
I should. Yeah, because I already thought about putting it on a shirt, but I would change it to that. So yeah, I can do a video on that. And we can even slice through it so it looks the same. I was playing with colors too. Although the sunset does look good, the like ombre sunset. I played with Stitch colors more too, which are like blue and periwinkle.
Okay. All right.
And then you could even if you just wanted the Stitch silhouette, you could take just the Stitch silhouette out of it, or Stitch on the surfboard. You don't have to necessarily use it in the whole thing if you wanted.
And then you could cut those lines off if you wanted.
Yeah. Can you contour them? Won't let you contour it?
No, because it's connected.
Oh, yeah, it's connected. That always gets me. It was like a contour, and I'm like, darn it, it's connected somewhere.
Right. Like these, you can...
Yeah, and you could if you want to just slice the lines off if you want.
Yeah.
So you can always play with the images to make it more than the images, so you actually get more images than...
Right. All right.
But I feel like that was a really good mystery box. It had a lot of cute different images with different, we had Adventure Mickey, and then we had princesses, and we had Winnie the Pooh and Stitchy.
I like it.
I like it too.
And what's the price of this mystery box?
$29.99.
$29.99.
And that gives you access, when you purchase one of those, that gives you access to the images forever. So once you purchase them...
Yeah, you definitely want to do that, because if you plan on using, like, even just a few of these, because when it's not available as mystery box anymore, you're paying so much more for the individual packs. So you're saving a lot of money with only spending $29.99.
So which one is your guys' favorite?
Let us know in the comments below. So this is Silly Old Bear.
Yep. So you can guess who that's going to be, can't you?
Is he the one on the couch?
That's not even me.
Oh, hey. So at Dragon Con, the guy that does his voice was at Dragon Con.
Winnie the Pooh?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I could have went up and
That's
talked
really
to
cool. But my question is, what bear is on the couch? I'm so
him.
confused.
The big blue couch or something, the bear on the couch. Or, that's a
Oh,
TV
you're
show.
talking about that kids show,
Yeah.
like from
Yeah.
Silly Old Bear. These are really cute too. You gotta love Winnie the Pooh. There's a couple of the Happy Thoughts ones.
Say, I'm so happy. I feel like bouncing.
I love Tigger. But these are cute. You gotta love Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
See the Happy Thoughts right there with Winnie?
Yeah.
I called him Winnie.
Yeah.
It's weird. You don't call him Winnie, you call him Pooh, right?
Yeah.
Like, you call him Winnie is weird.
I was like, who's Winnie?
That one right there with the rumbly and my tumbly.
Yeah.
That would be so cute. Like on a baby onesie or a baby bib.
Yeah.
A rumbly and my tumbly.
Happy
And
Thoughts.
the little Pooh and Piglet. So cute.
Right. Pooh with honey pot.
The wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tiggers are wonderful things. Their tops are made out of rubber and their bottom are made out of springs.
Yeah.
You clearly haven't seen enough Winnie the Pooh.
It's true. It's true. I have that. But those are cool. I can see a lot of people using these in a lot of different ways.
Yes, and I've got a rumbly in my tumbly. That's so cute, though. Put that on a baby's onesie. I mean, you could, as a grown-up, I could put it on a shirt for me. For the Pooh fans. But that's so cute. On a baby bib. I don't ever know anybody having babies. There's like all this cute stuff to make for babies. That Happy Thoughts one's so cute. I was playing with colors too because I wasn't a big fan of like the brown.
Yeah.
I turned it purple because or you could do blue because then it does the rainbow because it's red, orange, yellow, green. Those are so cute.
Purple.
Happy Thoughts. Cute. Who doesn't love Winnie the Pooh?
All right. There's some things, some ideas.
Yeah. Cute. There's a lot of cute images in this digital set. And links to purchase the digital mystery box are in the description of the video below. And you'll also find our discount code. Our discount code will not work on digital items either, but if you're purchasing other items, then go ahead and use our discount code.
There's links below to enter the giveaway, and there's 10 $50 winners, correct?
Yep.
So
yeah, look at $50 to spend at Cricut to buy whatever crafting supplies their heart desires.
What does your heart desire? What's some ideas that you would use these for? Or projects that you would make these for?
Are you asking me or are you asking them?
Them, yeah.
Okay.
Let us know in the comments below. I missed that part, the comment part.
I know Jamie's got a grandbaby on the way, and I'm pretty sure, and Jamie's a big Winnie the Pooh fan. So I'm pretty sure that I've Got a Rumbly in My Tumbly is going to be made. And that is everything for the Disney Digital Mystery Box. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you have a great week.
Toodles!
Bye, guys. Now here's a shout out to a few of our Platinum Plus subscribers on Patreon. Mahoda, Michelle, Diane, Angie, Judy, Tammy, Belinda, Cheryl, Bobby, Deb, Christine, Kathy, Tammy, Trish, Diana, Mary, Terry, Mickey, B, Sandra, Cindy, Maria, Pam, Lynn, Nancy, Jennifer, Angela, Mindy, Lily, and Beth. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate all of our supporters and subscribers.